ma'am. Good morning. My name is Jovem Angelo A. Gloria, Bachelor of Science of Marine Transportation, and I'm from Baybay City, Leyte. The importance of PMIERS 5 resilience is course is crucial. BSMT and BSMARE program as it teaches us how to cope with stress, adversity, and uncertainty in high pressure environments like those encountered at sea. Fulfilling the dream of becoming a successful seafarer. Adapting to changing environments. The resilience skills I acquire will enable me to adapt quickly to new and challenging situations, which is essential for seafarers who often face unpredictable conditions at sea. Thank you.